It's part of the Sinas Dramis Law Firm's Know Your Law campaign. Lansing attorney Stephen Sinas is with us today to talk about a two-part series helping us understand auto insurance coverage. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
So as an attorney, do you find people are confused about auto insurance coverage?
Absolutely. I can't really think of somebody who actually understands the system as it's designed, and it's not their fault. It's kind of confusing. So today we're going to talk about Michigan no-fault insurance, and then we're going to come back and then talk about your rights against the at-fault driver.
Okay.
That's a perfect segue into the first question is, what is no-fault insurance?
So I think the best way to start is for people to understand their insurance declaration page and where their no-fault insurance coverage is actually itemized. And if they look at their insurance declaration page, they're going to see something that says personal injury protection and the MCCA assessment fee. Those are the two fees that apply to your no-fault insurance coverage. The rest of the coverages deal with other matters, such as your rights against the at-fault driver. So in terms of what no-fault insurance coverage is all about, it's essentially health insurance that we buy for our auto accident injuries. We insure ourselves. And Michigan's very unique in its system because it says that the auto insurance companies have to pay for all reasonable charges incurred for reasonably necessary products, services, and accommodations for an injured person's care, recovery, or rehabilitation. I know that's a mouthful, but that is the policy. And that's very broad coverage. And I can tell you that clients I have who have been catastrophically injured, that coverage has meant the world to them, and it's there for them and their families. And so it's only Michigan that actually has that type of coverage. There are a couple other benefits with Michigan no-fault, such as wage loss for 3 years, and then there's a household chore benefit. So it's the medical benefit that really makes Michigan no-fault insurance unique.
Right. So how does Michigan no-fault insurance coverage compare to the other states? Is that part of it being so unique?
You know, no-fault's in the media a lot, and often what we hear about is how the rates are high, and that maybe in the top 10. But the fact of the matter is that Michigan no-fault insurance is the absolute best form of medical coverage in America for auto accidents. And people don't understand that. So when they're paying a lot, they're actually getting something that is way better than any state in the country, and that is just a fact. There's no other state that even comes close to the kind of coverage you have in Michigan if you're hurt in an accident.
So are there different types of no-fault insurance?
There are. There are two different types, uncoordinated and coordinated. Uncoordinated means that your no-fault insurance company pays primary and your health insurance doesn't have to pay at all. Coordinated, you pay a little bit less for no-fault, but health insurance pays first, and then no-fault picks up the difference.
Wow.
I learned a lot.
You tell us so much, and I love that this is actually part one of a two-part series, because that means there's more to come.
There's more to come with the at-fault driver. We'll talk about that next time.
Stephen, thank you so much.
That is all our time for now on The Morning Blend. We'll have all the information up on the website and on Facebook for you as well.
Or you can visit fox47news.com.
Make it a great